Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'm going to show you how I make this amazing bread pudding. I'm making Rumchatta Challah bread pudding. And so let's get into it. And I swear to you, this is the best bread pudding I've ever had in my life. And so this is my challah bread. This is a raisin challah bread I got from the supermarket. It's not a sweet bread. It just has raisins in it. And it's really like delicious and moist, so it's perfect for puddings. So I'm just going to chop them into bite-sized pieces just like this, and then we're going to move on to the custard. Alright, so to my bowl, I'm going to add my milk, next my sugar. You could probably use your preferred milk. I'm using 2%, but I'm sure almond milk will be perfectly fine. I'm going to season this up with cinnamon, a little salt, nutmeg, and vanilla. And I'm heavy-handed with it because I really want to taste it throughout there. Now, I seasoned this before I added the eggs because, I want to be able to taste it to make sure it's perfect and on point. So make sure you guys taste it before you add your eggs to make sure you like it. I'm going to add a whole half a cup of the Bacardi rum and a whole half a cup of Rumchatta. I hope I'm saying it right. Y'all gonna butcher me in the comments just like I'm butchering this word. So this is the point where I mixed it up really, really well. And then I'm going to taste it. And y'all, when I tasted that custard, oh my God. It was just so delicious, you guys, and I cannot. But anyway, added my eggs, mixed it up, and now I'm going to add my melted butter. Make sure that your pan is greased before you put your bread and your custard down in there as well. So add your melted butter. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, so make sure you guys check that out. Now I'm just going to gently pour my custard over the bread, and you want to allow this to sit for 15 minutes before you pop it in the oven. So I'm going to pop this into a 400-degree oven, which is what I use. Everyone's stove is different. If you know you have a super strong stove, please do 375. But you want to really get a crust on top, which is why I'm doing 400, and I know my stove. So you want to push it down, let it sit for 15 minutes so it can soak up, and then pop it in the oven. Next, let's work on the sauce. The sauce is super simple and easy. It's just butter, brown sugar, and Rumchatta. And the reason why I didn't add anything else creamy to this is because I didn't want a creamy white sauce, because I feel like the ice cream, it'll throw it off. There won't be any balance or dimension if both the sauces, the ice cream and the sauce, had the same texture. So I decided to just keep it like this. And this is the bread pudding, y'all. When I tell you, my house smells amazing. Like, I cannot. My house smells amazing. Straight holiday season in my house right now. But this is what it looks like, you guys. It's perfect on top, nice and golden and crispy, but moist on the inside. So this is how I played it up, y'all. Now, if you're making this for your boo, your whoever, your wife, your husband, your side bae, your side chick, your side man, whoever you making this for, this is how you played it up. So you want to put some soys. Then you want to put your ice cream. I'm using a dulce de leche. I can't even talk. Ice cream, you guys. I just feel like it went with this instead of vanilla. However, if vanilla is your thing, girl, use vanilla. It's no problem. To make this cute, I did add some berries. It's just for color and, you know, it's optional. Next, you want to top it with the sauce just like this. And that's it, y'all. Like, bam. Like, tell me this doesn't look like it came out of a magazine. Like, I cannot. I hope somebody make it. If you do, tag me. Let me know what you think, and I will repost you. Thank y'all for watching. My mouth is watering. I'm about to go eat a piece of it. And love you guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, y'all.